Let's go take care of some goats and sheep and cows. Want to? Move. Move. Gotta get the dogs some dog food. I'll show you a little thing I built. Come on in. So we built this barn, and it was a beautiful barn, but we needed a little bit more storage. So I built this addition onto the barn, and this is what you see here. So one of the things that I did that I really liked is that right off of this barn, I built one of those half arches, you know, that you'll see for the cattle circles, and this is what I feed them in. Take a knife. This guy over here. They've got hay, but I put that down because I put some corn on top of it. Okay, we have a couple things here. We buy the corn in bulk. We have a big old trailer, like several tons, and then we'll grind it into cornmeal. That's what you see here. But we also have cow pellets. My wife does the purchasing for that. I don't have all the specs on that, but basically pellets. This is basically a snack, but we give them the pellets, and I'll show you those as well. But they really like this ground up corn. One of the reasons why we use corn that's ground up is that, you know, we found that when they poop, sometimes we see the kernels in there, and that just didn't make sense to us, like they're not digesting it. So we help them out a little bit by grinding it up. Now she put turkeys in here too, mainly because they're getting so big, but look at that Tom down there. Show them that Tom. Look at that big old thing. That looks like Thanksgiving dinner, don't it? Again, this is just a snack. So Phew. Come on over, man. This right here is Pearl. We call her the Black Pearl. That's Luigi over there. This right here is Sonny Jim. He's the Mac Daddy. These guys can feed over here too. Let's go on to the next one. Going up, man. Here comes the big babies. Well, he's catching on. We just built this little corner here. This is one of our grain feeders, and we store the good stuff in this, and then we just get a few buckets every day and feed the animals. So that's how this works. You just get this and make sure that you don't get your fingers pinched. Like that. And then we feed the sheep and the cows on this place. A little bit of They always want to stick their head in the middle when you're trying to pour, you know? Let's trick them. And that's how I trick them.